course, there are now a ton of messaging services around, but WhatsApp has had a massive head start on almost all of them, meaning it has tons of features. So in this video, I will show you the top 10 WhatsApp tricks, or you can say the top 10 WhatsApp features that you should know. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So the first feature is called Pin Chats. So WhatsApp rolled out a new update a few months back that brought a new feature called Pin Chats. Using this feature, you can pin any specific chat to the top of your conversation list. If you have ever been chatting with a bunch of people during the day and got tired of scrolling to find the person you want to respond to, this feature will definitely come in handy. To pin a chat, simply tap and hold the chat in the conversation list and the option to pin the chat will appear on the top. Just tap on that and there you have it. You have pinned a specific chat to the top of your conversation list. Now to unpin this, you just need to tap and hold a specific chat in the conversation list that you have just pinned, and then you will see an option to unpin it. So next, you can edit pictures before sending them. WhatsApp lets you edit pictures before you send them to your friends. By editing, I mean that you can add text, stickers, or draw or doodle. There is also an option to crop the images so that if there is any unnecessary part in the image that you don't want to send, then you can crop that. Next, you can send GIFs via WhatsApp. Yes, I know that this is quite an old feature in WhatsApp, but still it is one of the best features of WhatsApp that lets you send GIFs to your friends or in the groups. For this, tap on the emoji option and there you have the option to send GIFs. Tap on that and here you can search for any GIF that you want and send that to your friends or in the WhatsApp groups. So it is now possible to tag other members of the WhatsApp group in order to get their attention even if they muted the conversation. Simply type @ and then select from the list the name of the friends that you want to tag in a specific message so that they will get a notice whenever you will tag them in any message on WhatsApp group. Next thing is called text formatting. So this feature is in WhatsApp from last year, but now you have separate options to format the text. There is no longer need to add stars or underscores to format the text. Now just add any text that you want to send and then select the part of it that you want to format. You will see a normal cut, copy and paste options along with 3 dots option. Tap on the 3 dots option and there you have the options to make the text either bold, italics, strike through or monospace. Next, you can turn off the last seen. Unless you disable the feature, WhatsApp will display to all your friends when you were last online. Don't worry, as there is a way to disable the timestamp and disappear into the shadows, although the catch is that you won't be able to see when any of your friends were last online. To turn off the last seen, just go to settings, go to account, go to privacy. There you have option called last seen and here select nobody option so that no one will be able to know when you were last online. Next, you can turn off blue ticks or read receipts. WhatsApp will also let your friends know when you have read their messages, and just like the last seen feature, this too can be disabled. Just head to the settings, then accounts and then tap on privacy. There you will find an option called read receipts. To turn off the blue ticks, disable this option. But keep in mind that you too won't know if messages you have sent have been read by the recipient or not. Next, you can mute a group chat. One day. Yes, just don't open WhatsApp for one single day and what you will get the next day you open it, a never-ending storm of WhatsApp group messages. But there is a way to get out of this. Simply mute the WhatsApp group chats and you won't get annoying notifications of new group messages. For this, open the group you want to mute, then go to 3 dots option on the top right. There you have an option to mute the group and then you can select the time for which you want to mute the group. Once you've selected that, you can either select if you want to get the notifications of the messages or not, and then just tap on OK and the group will be muted for the time that you have selected. Next, you can create and restore a backup. For some time now, WhatsApp has offered the functionality to backup all your chats and media in case you change or lose your smartphone. Head to settings, chats, chat backup and then tap on backup. Now you can either create a backup via WhatsApp servers or log in into your Google account and backup via Google Drive. To restore a backup, just uninstall and install the WhatsApp application again. Then on the welcome screen, you should be prompted to restore your most recent backup. Last but not the least, you can start the messages. If you are a heavy WhatsApp user, you will be writing and receiving a lot of messages. For one reason or another, you may want to have some of these messages more readily available than others. So go to the conversation, press down the message you want to bookmark, and all you need to do is to press on the star option that is on the new menu on the top. So that's how you can star any message. To access your favorite messages, just go to the main window, click on the 3 vertical dots, then tap on start messages option and you will find your favorite messages there. So these were some of the WhatsApp tips and tricks, and I hope that you will like this video. So if you like this video, then hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and as always, I will catch you in the next one.